In the workshop model, especially in the reading portion, we're looking at 3 steps. The first step is where the teacher is engaging the student through a lesson, modeling what's going to be done, teaching a strategy, showing the way. Tell the outside story. What was happening? Now, that doesn't make sense to me. Does that make sense to anyone? If I just said you zero in and you focus on something small, how do you tell the outside story? How do you tell what happened first? The second piece is where everyone is comfortable because they are practicing it with each other in partnership, in small groups. The teacher is still the guide. I kind of look at it as the first step is I do, the second step we do, and the final step is the eventual release of the work to the students, and that's the you do. And through that workshop model, students are also engaged because they know eventually they're going to get to have full ownership. And there's a pride in that that can't be lost.